Hi dear children, welcome to Grade 5 GK. So this session we are going to see about world sports stars. Power, focus, technique and most importantly the will of the heart are the qualities that make a sports champion. History had the honor of witnessing the work of these legendary sports personalities. So children, we already seen some of the world sports star in our previous sessions, right? So this session, let's get to know about some other great sports stars. Okay, have you all ready? So the first person, Dhyan Chand. Dhyan Chand was an Indian field hockey player. He was born on August 29, 1905 in Allahabad, India. First, he started his career as an army person. That means at the age of 16, he was joined Indian Army and played hockey in the army. So his actual name is Dhyan Singh. Chand is the nickname of Dhyan Singh. His fellow player used to call him Dhyan Chand. So Dhyan Chand fondly addressed as the wizard for his extraordinary goal scoring feats. He played hockey internationally from the year 1926 to 1949. So in this period he scored more than 400 goals in hockey. That means he scored totally 570 goals in 185 matches and also won 3 Olympic gold medals in the year 1928, 1932, 1936. So totally India won 3 Olympic medals in his period. So during the era where the India dominated in the field hockey. So he retired from the Indian Army in the year 1956 with the rank of major. So after his retirement, he took the position of the chief hockey coach. So Dhyan Chand is considered to be the greatest field hockey player of all time. Here let's see some of the awards and honors of Dhyan Chand. So in order to honor his achievements, his birthday August 29 celebrated as the National Sports Day in every year in India. And also he was awarded Lifetime Achievements Award and also awarded India's third highest civilian award Padma Bhushan in 1956 and also in 2012 he was awarded the Gem of India. In order to honor his achievements, Indian government released stamps in the year 1980 and also built his statue at Cypress Hills, Jhansi. Also, the National Stadium, Delhi was renamed Dhyan Chand National Stadium in the year 2002 in his honor. So this is the Dhyan Chand National Stadium in Delhi. So Dhyan Chand is considered to be the greatest hockey player even today and still remembered for his remarkable achievements in the hockey. This is the undefeated one. So the next player, next star, Lin Dan. Lin Dan is a Chinese badminton player. He was born on October 14, 1983 in China. He is popularly known as the Super Don of the badminton. And he is considered to be the greatest badminton player of all time. Lin Dan started his career at the age of 13 and turned professionally at the age 18. He is known for completing the Super Grand Slam and having won all the 9 major titles in badminton. That means he was won all the major titles in badminton at the age of 28 and he is the first and only one badminton player who has achieved this feat. And this is the 9 major titles in the badminton. And Lin Dan won all these titles at the age of 28. The titles are Olympic Games World Championship title, World Cup title, All England Open, Asian Open, and also he won 5-time Badminton World Federation World Championship and 2 gold medals at 2008 Olympics and 2 gold medals at 2012 Olympics, and also he won 6-time All England Championship. So these are the undefeated achievements of the Linden. Because of this undefeated achievement, Linden considered as the god of badminton. So here let's see some of the awards and honors of Linden. He was awarded the Most Valuable Player Award and Sports Personality of the Year and Best Male Athlete of the Year for many times. So children, this session we have seen about Dhyan Chand and Linden. So from this our second chapter is over. So all of you take your workbook. We are going to do the workbook activity. All of you take your GK workbook. And the page number 8, match each sports stars to his title. So first observe the picture and match the sports star to the correct title. Okay. So next one, page number 9. In the following word maze, find the name of the sports that the given sports star are famous for. So you just circle the name of the sports. So I also give the answer. You just follow this. Next one, page number 10. Match the sports star to his sports. Okay. So the next one, which sports do you like the most and who is your favorite sports star? Write the about or his or her major achievements. So children, who is your favorite sports and who is your favorite sports stars? Write about her or his achievements. And the page number 11, read the achievements and write the name of the sports person who has achieved it. Take the help of the picture. So some clues are given. You just read the clues and guess the name of the sports person. Okay. So I also give the answer. You just refer this. So children, please note here today's homework. Complete today's work and post it in Google Classroom. That means complete your today's workbook activity and post it in Google Classroom. Got it? Okay. So please avoid your mobile phone or desktop or any other gadgets item after session. Drink more water, eat healthy fruits, vegetables and all. Okay. Also stay home, stay safe. We will meet in a session. Bye. Thank you.